Do Santa representatives always need to wear white gloves? In this video, we're going to cover different gloves and styles to consider when representing the man at the North Pole. You may have noticed many mall Santas wear white gloves, whether that be because they're big fans of Mickey Mouse or they like to feel like English gentlemen going to the opera. I don't know. I do know that a big reason has to do with cleanliness and trying to keep germs at bay. If you're sitting on a throne for hours on end, seeing all sorts of plague-carrying creatures, having multiple pairs of gloves to swap out to when needed would greatly reduce the amount of sickness that can be passed from one child to the next, not to mention how much that could affect the man sitting in the chair himself. The gloves being white also make it easy to tell when they're filthy. Not that you can see microscopic germs on there, I mean like dirt and stuff, that kind of stuff that makes them, filthy. The color also makes it much easier to pinpoint in photos where hands are placed. Some may say white colored gloves are a must because insurance requires it.